Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Online Marble, and in this video I'm going to show you a very beautiful kitchen design. With that I'll also give you information about stone price, etc. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the white stone, how beautiful it looks. The name of the stone is Nano White G5. Yes, Nano White G5, and the thickness of this stone is around 18 mm. And the features of this stone is its heat resistance, chemical resistance, and it has a really glossy look. Now if you talk about the price of this stone is around 350 to 400 rupees per square feet. And the black stone which you're seeing now is this is the granite, South Indian granite, South black granite. As you can see, if you have a combination of this, how beautiful it look in your house. So guys, hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you.